This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the clock font on your Xiaomi device. First, open the Settings application on your phone. Once inside, scroll down a bit until you find the Always On Display and Lock Screen option. Tap on this to enter the lock screen settings. From there, you'll see an option labeled Lock Screen Clock Format, which is exactly where we need to go to begin customizing your clock's appearance. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now that you're in the Lock Screen Clock Format section, you'll see a variety of clock styles and font designs. Take your time to browse through these options. You can scroll left or right to view all the available choices. As you tap on each one, you'll notice a real-time preview at the top of the screen, showing exactly how your lock screen clock will appear. This helps you make an informed decision and pick the perfect font for your device. Once you've found the clock font you love, simply tap the Apply or Done button, usually located at the bottom of the screen, to confirm your selection. After applying, exit the settings and lock your phone to see your brand new clock font in action on both your lock screen and the always-on display. Keep in mind that if you're using a custom theme, it might sometimes override these settings, so you may need to adjust the theme's clock style as well. Here are a few tips and troubleshooting steps. First, always ensure your Xiaomi device is running the latest MIUI version, as updates often bring new customization features. If you find that some options are missing, try updating your current theme or even switching to a default theme temporarily. Finally, if your changes don't appear right away, a quick restart of your phone can often resolve the issue, helping the new font to properly load and display. Enjoy your personalized clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.